पैट कमिंग्स इज द करेंट नंबर 1 रैंक्ड बॉलर इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट और इस जनरेशन के सबसे एक्साइटिंग फास्ट बॉलर्स में से एक है। दिसंबर 2019 में रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर started bidding for him in the IPL auction where the base price of Pat Cummins was ₹2 crores. To counter RCB's bid, Delhi Capitals went with 2.2 crore rupees. Things started heating up and as the bid breached the 14 crore mark, both the teams were hoping the other would give up and Cummins would don their jersey. Out of nowhere, Kolkata Knight Riders came up with a bid of 15 crores. The highest bid was 15.5 crores by KKR and sold. पैट कमिंग्स अब दिल्ली और बैंगलोर की फैंटेसी टीम्स में ही रह गए। इतना एक्साइटमेंट कभी कभी मैचेस में देखने को नहीं मिलता जितना इन बिडिंग वॉर्स में मिलता है। बट हाउ इज दिस एंटायर थिंग पुट इन प्लेस? लेट्स ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड दिस मैडनेस कॉल्ड द IPL auction. IPL was first held in April 2008 and the first auction was held a few months prior to that. तब से लेकर अब तक काफी चेंजेस हुए हैं। हाईएस्ट बिड्स के रिकॉर्ड्स भी कई बार टूटे हैं, जैसे लास्ट ईयर कमिंग्स बिकेम द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव फॉरेन प्लेयर इन द टूर्नामेंट्स हिस्ट्री। तो IPL ऑक्शन में क्या क्या कंसिडरेशंस होते हैं? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सैलरी पर्स। एवरी टीम हैज अ पर्स व्हिच दे कैन यूज टू बाय प्लेयर्स एंड इट हैज अ लिमिट। अगर लिमिट नहीं होगी तो जो ओनर ज्यादा रिच है वो हायर बिड्स करके शुरू में ही बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स ले जाएंगे एंड सम ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्लेयर्स विल गो। IPL में ऐसा नहीं है क्योंकि फिर लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड नहीं बचेगी। इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग टू नोट दैट द मेजर यूरोपियन फुटबॉल लीग्स डोंट हैव अ सैलरी पर्स। इंस्टेड दे नीड टू फॉलो द फाइनेंशियल फेयर प्ले रूल्स व्हिच इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर। ये पर्स थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ के अब 85 करोड़ तक पहुंच गया है। हर टीम को एटलीस्ट 75% पर्स वैल्यू के प्लेयर्स लेने होते हैं। कमिंस की सैलरी ही अकेले KKR के पर्स का 18% अमाउंट कंज्यूम कर चुकी है। Whenever a team enters a new auction, they can spend the amount remaining in their purse. But on how many players? हर टीम के स्क्वाड की लिमिट्स फिक्स होती हैं। Minimum 18 and maximum 25. There's a cap on the number of foreign players as well. A squad can have a maximum of 8 foreign players, out of which only 4 can play in a match. After every season before the IPL auctions, the franchises review their squad and they are allowed to release the players they don't want. इससे होता ये है कि वो प्लेयर ऑक्शन के लिए वापस एलिजिबल हो जाता है और टीम्स का पर्स उतने अमाउंट से वापस भर जाता है। लाइक राजस्थान रॉयल्स, दे फेमसली बॉट जयदेव उनदकट फॉर अ मैसिव 11.5 करोर्स इन द 2018 ऑक्शन। दे रियलाइज्ड ड्यूरिंग दैट सीजन कि शायद दे गॉट कैरिड अवे, बट दिस ऑप्शन केम टू देयर रेस्क्यू। दे रिलीज्ड उनदकट आफ्टरवर्ड्स। इससे उनके पर्स में 11.5 करोड़ रुपए वापस आ गए। उनदकट वाज बॉट अगेन बाय राजस्थान एट 8.4 करोर्स इन द नेक्स्ट auction. They released him again after that season and then no, it doesn't stop there. Rajasthan bought him yet again, but this time at ₹3 crores. Another factor in the auction is the base price of the player. Now if you're wondering what is this base price and ये कौन decide करता है, we'll explain. Base price basically is the minimum price for a player. It is the price from which the bidding of the player begins. This is decided by the player himself. A player has to consider a lot of factors before deciding his base price. It shouldn't be high enough to make the teams lose interest in the player because sometimes a player is bought at his base price itself. Like Pat Cummins के teammate Josh Hazelwood, who was snapped by CSK for his base price of 2 crore rupees. This usually happens when only one team is bidding for a player. Thus, the player has to ensure that his base price is not too low as well. Players register themselves for the auction and mention their base price. उनका इन पूरे प्रोसेस पे कंट्रोल सिर्फ यहीं तक होता है. They aren't even present for the auction. But which players are eligible for registering themselves? A. Capped Indian players. मतलब कि वो players who have represented India in either Tests, T20s or ODIs. B. Foreign players. And C. Uncapped Indian players. Even players from under 19 can register, provided they have played a first class or a list A match. Now let's head to the auction day. The auction takes place on a single day or sometimes even 2 consecutive days. 5 to 8 representatives from each team are seated on a table. These representatives include people such as coaches, management, owners, etc. The entire auction is conducted by an auctioneer. On the day of the auction, पहले marquee players यानी सबसे बड़े और popular players की bidding होती है. The last time marquee players का अलग सा set था was in 2018's mega auction. Then the players are put up for auction in sets. But what are these sets? Players are basically divided into groups based on their specialization. rotation: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket keepers, fast bowlers, and spinners.
And the name of the players are drawn randomly in each set.
And then that process happens. वही Pat Cummins वाला.
The 5 sets are completed for the capped players first, and उसके बाद uncapped players की bidding होती है.
One thing to note is that the bids for each player increase in a controlled way. जैसे if the bidding is happening up to 1 crores, the increment would be 5 lakhs for each bid. ऐसे ही between 1 and 2 crores, the bids would increase by 10 lakhs. And so on. For bids between 2 to 3 crores, they will increase by 20 lakhs. For amounts more than 3 crores, the bids would be 20 lakhs each, subject to the auctioneer's discretion, of course. One designated bidder from each franchise holds the bidding paddle, and it goes without saying that bids once registered can't be withdrawn. Obviously, सारी teams का अपना plan, strategies होती हैं with respect to the auction, and because there are 7 other teams, they can't be just one plan, right? Sometimes the teams have their eye on a certain player, hoping that they'll build the team around them, but he's snapped by someone else. The people on the table go through all these permutations and combinations. And sometimes, because the players they initially wanted are taken by someone else, they have to be pretty adaptable to newer scenarios. Which also means that someone they had passed upon earlier would now fit the team's requirements, and the teams are given the chance to bid for that person again. Only if they remained unsold. Yes, if a player is unsold in the first round, they need not lose heart. उन्हें एक और मौका मिलता है bidding के लिए आने का. This can be done after the teams insist on calling certain unsold players for another round of auction. 2018 में क्रिस गेल ऐसे ही पंजाब टीम में आए थे. Mega auction happens once every 3 or 4 years जहाँ पूरा squad overall होता है. But what about the players that the franchisees want to keep to maintain the core of their team? Can they retain all of them?
For a mega auction, the last rule was that teams can have 5 of their old players with them through 2 things: retention and right to match.
Right to match means that if a player who played for your team in the last season, उस पर bid आ गई और उसकी sale हो गई, you have the option to match that bid and buy that player back. Maximum of 3 players can be kept through retention and 3 through right to match cards. 3 plus 3 तो 6 होता है ना? हाँ, basically 5 players can be brought back into the team, either with 3 retentions and 2 right to match card, or 2 retentions and 3 right to match card.
Retention और RTM से टोटल 5 प्लेयर्स लिए, उनमें भी कैप्ड, अनकैप्ड और फॉरेन प्लेयर्स की लिमिट्स होती हैं. इस साल ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ मेगा ऑक्शन. तो क्या शेन वॉटसन के रिटायरमेंट और
यादव,
हरभजन और पीयूष चावला जैसे प्लेयर्स को रिलीज करके सीएसके अपने स्क्वाड में रिप्लेसमेंट से एक्सपीरियंस और यूथ का बैलेंस स्ट्राइक कर पाएगा?
या फिर आरसीबी को अपनी पजल का वो फाइनल पीस इस ऑक्शन में मिल पाएगा जिससे उनकी और आईपीएल ट्रॉफी की दूरी खत्म हो? ये कुछ जवाब इस ऑक्शन के बाद जरूर मिलेंगे. वी होप दैट विद दिस वीडियो यू गॉट अ फेयर आइडिया अबाउट हाउ दिस होल प्रोसेस वर्क. डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हिच हैज बीन द मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग बिडिंग फॉर यू टिल डेट.
Hey, hi, hope you enjoyed that video. The whole point of our channel is to ask fun and compelling questions, explore weird and intriguing stories, and delve into secret histories. So if that's something you are into, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash that like button.